In this video, we're going to look at interacting with footage in Vegas Effects. Although this is way too reductionist, think of a composite as your project timeline or properties. When you create one, you will be defining attributes such as duration, frame rate, and resolution. In this case, we just wanted to match the footage that we're working with, so I'm going to click New Composite Shots from Footage. This way, I'm hitting two birds with one stone. I'm bringing in the video that I want as well as creating the matching composite shot. In the Project Media panel, I can see my composite shot and the video, although I don't like the naming convention, so I'm just going to go ahead and change that real quick. I'm going to hit F2 and write the name that I like. This star will designate the composite shot of your choice as the one that Vegas Pro will see should you want to take this project back into Vegas Pro. If you heard that, that is the sound of my footage as I'm scrubbing through. It is annoying, possibly tasking on the hardware, and completely unnecessary. Let's go ahead and disable that. Head over to your File menu and hit Options. Go for General and disable Play Audio while scrubbing. Much better. Try your hand at the Viewer tab. Wheel in and wheel out with your mouse to get a feel of how it interacts with that. The hand tool lets you pan around the viewer. It's useful when things are too big or you want to navigate while zoomed in on the footage. We'll discuss the other tools later. For now, go back to the Selection tool. By holding the corners of the layer, you can scale and stretch however you like. If you wish to maintain the aspect ratio, hold Shift as you resize it. You can use the red arrow to move the video on the X-axis, and you can use the green one to move it on the Y-axis. The blue box is for rotation. You can also access these properties by heading over to your layer and pressing the plus sign on your num key. Or you can click on the arrow on the far left. Hit minus on the numpad key to close the Properties panel. In order to produce a cut, drag the ruler to where you want to cut. Hold Ctrl Shift and press D. Cuts are vertical in Vegas Effect. By making cuts, you are effectively introducing a new layer. So I'm going to delete the cut that I don't want. I'm going to move back the layer to the beginning so it starts at the beginning when I play. Unlike in Vegas Pro, you can't stretch a layer till it loops. But you can shorten it. With the Rate Stretch tool, you can extend the layer in slow motion.